Let's make some crab shrimp. Honestly, it's interchangeable because this is like crack. Wash your hands, dude. All right. We're gonna start with some good old MSG. Season it with this fish sauce. It's the best fish sauce. Okay. Black pepper. Oh, crap. It's dead. Hold on. It's dead, so we got this old school contraption. Oh, shit. My mother-in-law got me. All right. Ta-da! Black pepper. White pepper. Mix that baby up and let it marinate a bit. Mix, 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 mix. Throw the shrimp in. Saute a little bit. All right. She's looking pretty cooked. All right, let's see if I can open this. Oh yeah. There we go. This is so easy. You really do need to make this. About that much sugar. Mix it up. We're gonna just add a little splash. Don't add too much, okay? Just a splash. Just a little splash. And then reduce it. There you go. Crab shrimp in less than 30 minutes. Serve it over some rice. Alrighty. Ow, crap, it's hot. Alrighty. Let's try this crab shrimp. It's about to burn my mouth. Oh my god. Honey, come here. Okay, baby tax. He can't eat the shrimp yet, but he can eat the rice with the crab sauce.
Bomb.
He likes it. He likes it.
That? Give me that flavor. Oh, you were waiting for it.
He wants more. It's a winner. You like that, huh? More.